So we also got a question on getting some feedback specifically on that, the second sequence, right?
Mhm.
So I think between the 1, 2, 3 and then the tango close, right? There's that outside and then coming back in front and how to actually close. So we're gonna do that one more time so you can see from the leader's perspective and then also from the follower's perspective.
Good, yes. I will do it in this way. It's against the line of dance, but for you to see a detail. 1, 2, 3. You can see clearly that my right leg is closer to you than Mimi's right leg. Yeah. So, because I am already outside partner. Now, she's going to step backward with her right. Let's do it. You know, you do it ahead of me. That means I have that space there to step. So, that's why we come back in front of our partner in the tango close. Because it's the moment that we get the space. Let's see it again. 1, 2, 3, tang. I got that space. Go close. 2, 3, tang, go close. One more time. 1, 2, 3, tang, go close. Let's try it one more time, just to be sure we have that, and then we will add something in this box sequence.